How to sign in to another Fortnite account on PlayStation 5. I'm going to teach you how to sign in to another Fortnite account on your PlayStation 5. First, log out of your current Fortnite account. Open Fortnite on your PlayStation 5. Go to Settings. Then navigate to the Account and Privacy tab. Scroll down and select Logout, then Confirm. The game will then restart. Next up is to switch PlayStation accounts. Press the PS button. Go to your profile and select Switch User. Choose another PSN account or create a new one if needed. The next step is to link your new Fortnite account. On a PC or a phone or from a browser, let's just say, go to epicgames.com and sign in to the account you want to use. Under Connections, link in to your PlayStation network. Now open Fortnite again on your new PlayStation account and you'll be signed in with the linked Fortnite account.